Hello guys, good morning. I am Vijay sir. I teach you English and ENV. Now अब तो हमारी पहचान हो चुकी होगी। बार बार मुझे ये कहने का काम नहीं पड़ना चाहिए कि मैं विजय सर हूँ, मैं आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ाता हूँ, ENV पढ़ाता हूँ या स्कूल जो देगी वो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाता हूँ। ठीक है, गुड बाय। टुडेज वी सॉ द लेसन नंबर 4. We learn the lesson number 4, the Shivaji childhood. Now in the third lessons we saw about the Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was the great personalities, great warriors, wise personalities. Now the some after the some reasons. Actually Shahaji Raje served under the Nizam Shah, but of the some reasons the Shahaji Raje left the Nizam Shahi and joined the Adil Shahi. But after then the Nizam's mothers appealed the Shahaji Raje. Again Shahaji Raje returned to the Nizam Shahi. Because of the Nizam's wise Wazir Malik Ambar was died. Malik Ambar was no more, and his son Fateh Ali Khan became a Wazir of Nizam Shah, and now in their periods the Nizam Shahi was declines. Therefore, the Jizabai called Shahaji Raje and appeal the Shahaji Raje, request the Shahaji Raje return in the Nizam Shahi and save the Nizam Shahi. Come return in Nizam Shahi and save the Nizam Shahi. We saw at that time the period was the very unrest period, unsettled periods, because of the Shahjahans from the north had the dispatch a big army to conquer the Deccans, Pune, the principal towns of the Shahaji Raje Jagir. He marched on the Nizam Shahs to conquer all the Nizam Shahis. Now the first we saw the Nizam Shahjahans make the alliance with the Adil Shah and both attacks on the Nizam Shahi. But at that time Shahjahan was not the success. This time specialist Shahjahan's march on the Nizam Shahi. Okay, now the period was very unrest period, unsettled period, because of the Shahaji Raje was the continuously engaged in the war against the Adil Shah and against the Shahjahan in Mughals. Now during this period Jizabai was the pregnant, and the great questions who is worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in the safety and the peace. Shahaji Raje tried to found the safe place for the Jizabai. Now, after then, the Shahaji Raje remembers the Shivneri's fort. The Shivneri fort was a very strong, durable fort near Junnar in a Pune districts. It had the Shivneri fort had the steep cliffs on the four sides, strong fortifications, and massive doors. This strong fort was then in charge under the charge of the Vijay Raj. The chief of the fort was Vijay Raj. The Vijay Raj was the closest relatives of the Bhosle's families. Now the Vijay Raj agreed to give the protections to the Jizabai. So the Shahaji Raje left the Jizabai and in the Shivneri fort under the Vijay Raj and march against the Mughal. Okay, now the Shahaji Raje continuously engaged in the wars against the Adil Shah and Shahjahans of the north, Mughal Samrat Shahjahan. Now, and then the golden days dawn. Then the golden days dawn on the auspicious day of the Falgun Vaidya Tritiya in the years 1551 of the Shaka era, the Marathi years. This is the Marathi year, and in our Georgian years or the English years, now the 19 February 1630. Now the Jizabai gave the birth to a son, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now, all the fort were the overjoys on the 12th day, and the child was named the Shivajis on the fourth name of the Shivneris and the god Shivai. On the Shivneri fort had a temples of the goddess Shivais. On both names, the child's name was the शिवाजीज. ओके, अब इस तरह शिवाजी महाराज का जन्म हुआ. हमने देखा अनरेस्ट पीरियड था, शाहजी राजे पे शाहजहां ने अटैक किया और यह सभी पीरियड के अंदर जीजा माता ने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज को जन्म दिया. अब हम देखेंगे शिवाजी चाइल्डहुड. हम देख रहे हैं कि वो जो पीरियड है वो टोटली अनरेस्ट पीरियड है, अनसेटल पीरियड है. नाउ द शिवाजीज पास द फर्स्ट 6 years of the life is highly unsettled conditions. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के पहले जो 6 साल थे वो बहुत ही हाईली अनसेटल कंडीशन में गए, अनरेस्ट पीरियड में गए. ये फोर्ट से वो फोर्ट, वो फोर्ट से वो फोर्ट, हरदम उनको सेफ्टी के लिए ट्रांसफ़र होना पड़ता था. और जीजाबाई, बट ऐसे भी क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में जीजाबाई डिड नॉट निग्लेक्ट हिज एजुकेशन. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट द पेरेंट्स नाउ, लाइक at that time the conditions today, now you do not neglect your child educations. Now we try to give your child through the distance learnings educations. Now you take the benefit. I request the parents, do not neglect your child's educations. Okay, the every evenings Jiza Mata, after the household lamps, light the household lamp, call the Shivaji Maharaj and now told him the stories of the Rama, Krishna, Bhims and the Abhimanyus. On the other occasions, now the Jizamata would recite to Shivaji Maharaj the devotional songs of the Namdev, Naneshwars or the Eknath. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of the brave men, and Shivaji felt that on the growing up he should also display the valor like them. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जब भीम, अभिमन्यु की ब्रेवनेस की स्टोरियाँ सुनते थे, राम कृष्ण की स्टोरियाँ सुनते थे, तो उनको भी फेल्ट होता था कि जब मैं बड़ा बनूंगा, जब मैं बड़ा बनूंगा तब उन्हीं के तरह वेलोर शौर्य बताऊंगा और उन्हीं की तरह बनूंगा। आफ्टर दैट वो जब रिसाइट्स करते थे डिवोशनल सॉन्ग, ड्यूटी सॉन्ग, एट दैट टाइम ही improves the attractions towards their relations, religious, and the sons. Now, the stories of the many pious persons and the son that the instills in him a respect and honor for all संत एंड ग्रेट मैन। ओके, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के दिल में उनके बारे में उनकी स्टोरियाँ सुनकर बार बार ये आता था कि मुझे भी ऐसा ही वेलोर बताना है, शौर्य बताना है। अब जो चिल्ड्रंस होते थे इन मावला, अ पर्सन्स हु लिव इन द मावला इज कॉल्ड द मावड़ा। ओके, इज कॉल्ड द मावलाज। एंड नाउ द पर्सन्स who live in the Maharashtra is called the Maratha. Now, the Shivaji Maharaj, the children from the poor families came to play with the Shivaji Maharaj, and the Shivaji Maharaj play with him the very interesting. Now, sometime the Shivaji Maharaj visited theirs the hut. Sometime Shivaji Maharaj visit there the hut and eats there the bhakri, kanda, onions and meals. Take their meals. Now the Mawla child or Mawla childrens, the childrens of the Mawlas were like the birds in the forest, like the bird in the forest. They pass their time to create, to imitate the sound of the birds like the cuckoos, parrots, or the animal sound like the tigers, elephants. Now, and with the very perfections, he create the sounds of the birds and animals with very perfections. Now their pastimes was the buildings the small forts of the earth and making the earths elephant, horses. Okay, they play hide and seek. Malwas and the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, child the Mawlas and the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj play hide and seek. And now, after then, the Shivaji joins them in all these the games. Now look here, the Shivaji Maharaj joins all the ground activities. All the ground activities with the poor childs in the Mawla. These interests become the Shivaji Maharaj very strong. Now I appeal you, all the my students. Now you pass your time on the ground every day, near about the 1 hour. You play the outdoor games near about 1 hour. It makes you a strong. Become your immunity strong. अगर आप हर रोज़ ग्राउंड गेम अगर 1 घंटा खेलते हो उससे आप स्ट्रांग बनते हो। घर में बैठकर मोबाइल खेलना, टीवी देखना, इस बात से हम वीक बनते हैं। ठीक है, ये ख्याल में रखो। आज के हमारे लेसन ने यही टीच दी। और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज उन गरीब मावला बच्चों के साथ में जंगल में वो हर एक गेम खेलते थे और इंटरेस्ट से खेलते थे, जो गेम आगे उनको स्ट्रांग बनाते हैं। और इस तरह हमारा आज का पार्ट 1 ख़त्म होता है। हम नेक्स्ट डे सी यू अगेन। ओके, बाय।